A very good morning, children. So, today in our social studies class, children, we are going to do some map work. If you remember that in our previous map work classes, children, we marked the continents and the oceans and even the neighboring countries of India. Do you remember? Yes, the names of the continents we wrote within the continent. The names of the neighboring countries we wrote within the country. Okay? But today we are going to do the map work in slightly different manner. Yes, we are going to locate or we are going to mark the states on the political map of India. See, can you see this political map of India? Right? So how are we going to do this map work differently? Children, can you see this? Yes, it's an index. So what we are going to do first is draw an index. Now, how does an index help us? See, children, an index helps us to locate things on a map, whether it is a physical map or a political map. Like in today's class, this particular index is going to help us to locate the states, the different states that we are going to mark here on this political map. In today's class, children will be marking only 4 states on the western side of India, and they are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Goa. These are the 4 states that we are going to mark. But before we start doing it, the first thing that we are going to do is at the corner here, we are going to draw an index. And how do we draw it? We make 2 columns. Okay, one is a smaller column, the other one is slightly broader one. Okay, yes, 2 columns, and then we make 4 rows. Since we are going to mark only 4 states, so we have made 4 rows out here, right? Yes, and on top of that we will write index. After that, you can color it or make it or give an outline with a black gel pen, and then write the names of the 4 states that we are going to mark in it. Like today we are going to mark Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Goa. And I have written down the names of these 4 states. Now what are we going to do, children? Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do today is pick up any color of your choice. I have picked up green color, right? Which is the first state? Rajasthan. So what am I going to do over here is, children, I am going to color Rajasthan over here in the index with a green color out here. Okay, with the green color, I am going to color Rajasthan out here. Make sure you color it neatly. Right. So, against green color, which state is written? Rajasthan. So, what are we going to do? On the political map of India, we are going to find out where Rajasthan is. Where is it? This is Rajasthan. Am I right? No, this is not Rajasthan. Here, Rajasthan is right over here. So, we are going to use the same green color to color Rajasthan over here. We will not be writing Rajasthan Rajasthan here, because we have already marked in the index. We have given a green color, so we are going to use the same green color to color the entire state of Rajasthan. The entire state we are going to color it neatly. You will color the state neatly, okay? Very neatly you are going to color it. See, this is the reason we make an index out here. Children, all the maps, they have an index. It becomes easier to locate things through colors. Sometimes, instead of colors, we also have symbols in an index. So through the symbols also we can locate things like rivers, we have cities, then deserts, which national park is located where. All these things you can locate on a map. But today, in our today's class, we are going to mark the different states which are there on the western side of India, on the west of India, or towards the west of India, right? So I use the same color to color the entire state of Rajasthan like this, right? Now the next state, which one is it? Gujarat, right? So for Gujarat, probably let me take a purple color. Children, you can use any color of your choice. So what I did, I have taken Gujarat as purple. I'm going to color first here in the index. Okay, here I colored it in the index, and the same purple color I'm going to use it in the political map of India. Here Gujarat is very much over here. So we are going to color Gujarat with the same purple color where we marked in the index. See, it becomes easier, right? So index is helping us to locate the different states. So if you are doing some map reading, children, so it becomes easier with the key to read the map, the different things that are marked on the map. It becomes very easy, right? See, this here, our very own Gujarat, I have used the same purple color. Make sure you do your work neatly. Okay, you should be neat in your work, and this is Gujarat. See the same purple color. Now, which is the third state which is marked? It is Maharashtra. So what am I going to do is, I am going to color Maharashtra with a yellow color. I picked up yellow color. Children, you can pick up any color of your choice, whichever you like. But make sure the color used in the index should be the same color. You should use it to mark the state. The same state. It should not be that you have colored in the index with purple color in Gujarat, and then on the map you use the orange color. It becomes wrong, children. Okay. So the color used in the index to mark a particular state, the same color you are supposed to use in the map as well. Okay. See here. Maharashtra is totally marked, colored with blue, yellow color. Sorry. Not blue, but yellow color, children. See the same yellow color. It's in the index. Whichever color I have used in the index, the same colors I have used to color the states in the political map. See. Right? And the last one, that is Goa. Right? So I've taken the red color. You can use any color. Not necessary. Ma'am has used these 4 colors. So we should also use the same colors. But make sure the color which is used in Goa, if I've used red here, so the same red color I will use to mark a Goa over here right below Maharashtra. See, this is Goa. Okay, and I colored Goa like this. See, so be neat in your work, children. Since I'm holding the mobile with my other hand, I find it difficult to color as the page is moving. But you need to be very, very neat in your work, children, okay? Yes? All of y'all. So this is how we do the map work, children. Fine. You're supposed to make sure that whichever colors you use in the index, the same colors are used to mark in the map. Okay? So children, now what you are supposed to do is buy 5 political maps from the stationery shop. Okay? Or if you have a printer at home, you can take a printout of a new political map which has Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh as the union territory shown in it. Otherwise, in your fusion book on page number 318, children, the same map is given. So you can take a Xerox of that same map. 5 Xeroxes. We are not going to mark in the textbook. The reason is children will be marking many states, many more states. So we will require more number of political maps, right? So what you can do is you can take a Xerox of that page number 318 and use it, okay? So enjoy your map work, children, and make sure you don't change the colors. The color which you use in the index should be the same that you mark in the map. See you all soon in our next class. Bye-bye, children.